Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel. Today's episode is going to be something special because we prepared only the best moto moments for you guys. From close calls to road rage. Everything in one place and in one episode. Make sure to stay till the end and enjoy the following clips. In this video, the biker came across all sorts of crazy drivers. They cut him off, pull out in front of him without looking, and some of them even angered the biker to the point of a mirror smash. Observe all these mistakes and try your best not to repeat them. This rude taxi driver thinks of bikers as less equal on the road, and that type of mindset is really dangerous. He almost knocked the biker off as he was way too close to him, but the situation didn't end there. Stay tuned.
ببینیم مثلا این الان میخواد چیکار بکنه. میخواد مثلا من اینجا چیز تو قال بذاره. فرهنگش شریفه.
These moped riders were just passing through the village, but someone was not patient enough, and before you know it, this crazy guy with a bat in his hand came out to confront them. These bikers did nothing to provoke him, but he didn't care. This biker came across a playful dog who was running across the road, but unfortunately he got hit by a bus. An elderly lady tried to prevent them from happening, but she couldn't catch up on time. Check out how she, and the biker of course, managed to help the dog.
Oh God. Careful, I think he's probably going to run if you... Yeah, there's no way you're going to stop him. He's just going to have to come back by himself. You're not going to stop him. If you go after him, he's just going to go into the street anyway, so... Yeah. Poor thing. Oh God, he got hit already. The bus hit him. Okay, got it. Thank you. Right. They said they're going to dispatch an officer as soon as possible.
No, wait a minute. An officer?
Yeah, I don't know what's...
This dog has a collar around its neck with a tag on it. Of course, the biker typed in the number, but unfortunately the owner didn't register it, so they couldn't reach him. Regardless of that, they didn't lose hope.
You want to try calling? See, I think if they register, it'll be on there, but yeah. Yeah, that's like tag number. I don't... You have to take it to, I guess, to the humanity. Oh. Okay, let me try that.
I was trying to tell you.
I'm sorry. Yeah. I just thought it was a phone number.
No.
Let's see. L21. No, there's no scanning. That's why I have to type it in. L21 -11880.
I almost had him on the other side.
They don't have it registered.
Huh?
The owners never registered it. I can't take him to the bed, but I mean, I hate to see him suffer. If you can help him, whatever you can do.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So yeah, this one 4707, 4701 is closed. So the other closest one's there's one on 43rd and 8th Street. So a few blocks that way. I wish I was in a car. I'd give you a ride. I wish I was in a car. I'd give you a ride. I'm sorry. I wish we could do better, and I don't think Coral Gables is showing up.
I mean, yesterday I was...
Biker was doing 95, which is way above the speed limit in this area, and unfortunately for him, a cop caught him and pulled him over. Biker didn't attempt to run away, but will he be lucky this time and go without a ticket? Make sure to stay tuned to find out.
I thought that was a cop. How's it going, officer? Yes, sir. Give me just a second. It's in my jacket.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's just in my jacket here. Yes, sir, it is.
Alright, since I was like,
Yep.
your record ain't the worst, but it ain't the best.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to write you for 95. Okay? I'm only going to write you at 76, which is literally the lowest price bracket I can put it in.
Thank you, sir.
Save you about $150. I would take it, alright?
Thank you.
Last one you got was back in 2021, as far as I saw.
Yes, sir.
I can take care of it.
I can't remember if I did the class or if I just paid it, but
How many times have you done the class?
I've only done it one time.
You've only done it once?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can still do the class, so you don't get the points.
Okay.
You know, you still have the fine associated with it, everything like that. All right, but you can still do the class and everything because you can only do it so many times in your life.
Right.
But you shouldn't have any issues doing that or anything like that.
Okay.
The other jobs you have are paid outright or the testing report here in Leon County.
This video is yet another proof of why you should refrain from speeding. It's dangerous because you're putting yourself in great risk of getting hit, and others who don't have anything to do with you can also get involved.
Again, like I said, just make sure you take care of it within 30 days.
Yes.
This biker ran over a bump and it rocked a flashlight he purchased, and it hit his kill switch and shut his bike off.
What just happened? I know what happened. That's hilarious.
It's not so quite often to see deer at the side of the road just chilling. No wonder the traffic was slowed down. Some drivers can really leave you speechless with their decisions. Bikes don't have reverse, and there was even a slight incline behind the biker, which means it will be difficult for him to push the bike uphill. Dogs are not quite fond of bikers, and we've seen it all the time. For some reason they get all excited and start chasing after them, but luckily this time the biker was not bitten.
sta zivozzato.
Whoa! I don't know if that's on camera or not. Jesus Christ.
This crazy turkey just started running across the road, and the biker was caught by surprise, to say the least. This biker was pulled over for doing a wheelie in front of a cop. Not a great idea if you ask me, but the biker was lucky because he ran into the most chill cop ever.
We're good, we're good. He's cool, he's cool.
No tickets, I like it.
I had one, but I got it dismissed.
I was good.
It was for speeding in my car. It was like 2 weeks after I got my license.
Oh, sure.
And there was someone next to me too, and they took off after I took off too. So then whatever cop it was got me for street racing too. I was like, ah, oh, dude, are you kidding me? I wasn't racing, but
Well, at least you got it knocked off.
yeah.
All right, do you have any questions for me?
Me and my buddy always do this thing when we get pulled over. Can I take a picture with you?
I won't say no, sure.
There we go. All right.
Am I standing by?
Yeah, if you want to like
Sure.
right here.
Yeah.
Perfect, man.
I want to see what's going on with that.
Wait, oh, it's still there.
Where?
There, straight ahead.
Oh,
Is it dead or
I don't know.
just park here on the road?
What the hell? Oh, it's alive.
It's alive, no? Okay.
Whoa, look at that. Do you think they just have native turtles, or do you think it's like a pet? Lavi's gonna put the turtle over there under the tree in that little garden area.
Yeah, I think this looks like a good area for him. Some sheepies on the side.
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something out of all the crazy clips you saw. Make sure to leave a like because it helps us grow. And until the next episode, ride safe.